How to buy $QUDAI Framework Token Crypto Coin How to buy QudeAI Solana MEXC Global SOL Raydium Agents. Sup everybody, Helper Dog here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today, we're going over the QudeAI token, ticker symbol, QUDE. This token just recently got a brand new central exchange, listing on a very big centralized exchange. It's a huge project on the Solana blockchain with a massive market cap and impressive 24-hour trade volume. We'll go over all the info on the QudeAI Framework token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there's a ton of referral codes down in the description box. Have a look at those for the best crypto apps, where you can get free money, free rewards, and free crypto just by using the referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple, and referral codes benefit both of us. So check them out in the description box, and let's get into this token. QudeAI token info. The QudeAI token is up 36.6% today. It has a market cap of $4.5 million and has seen $45.8 million in 24-hour trading volume. It's currently trending at number 30 in the Solana section on DEX Screener. You can follow the official Twitter handle at C_AI, and the contract address and additional details are all there in their link tree for easy access to their webpage, Discord, GitHub, Documents, Telegram, YouTube, and more. How to get the QudeAI token. The token recently got a new exchange listing on MEXC Global, one of the most prominent exchanges out there. So if you want to buy this token and don't have an MEXC Global account, I have a referral code down in the description box that you can use. To get this token, follow these steps. Sign up for MEXC Global. Use my referral code in the description. Deposit USDT into your account. Go to the trade section, search for QUDE, and then simply buy the token. It's that easy. About the QudeAI Framework. The QudeAI Framework is a platform that allows developers to create artificial intelligence agents. It acts as a co-pilot to help developers manage the complexities of AI agent creation, deployment, and blockchain integration. The framework provides built-in tools for natural language processing and blockchain queries. Key features of QudeAI: modular and scalable design. The system is built for high performance and can manage multiple AI agents simultaneously. Agent creation. Developers can define an agent's behavior using just a few lines of code and deploy it to the Solana blockchain. Blockchain integration. QudeAI interacts with Solana to ensure high-speed, low-cost transactions. It also supports token creation, querying on-chain data, and storing critical data for transparency and immutability. Key technologies used. Node.js for the backend, Express for routing and API endpoints, Solana for blockchain operations, Firebase for data persistence and agent management, OpenAI APIs for natural language processing and advanced interactions. How the QudeAI framework works. The Firebase integration stores agent metadata, user interactions, and provides real-time updates. Users can interact with agents through command line tools, RESTful API endpoints, and third-party applications. It includes a middleware layer for secure communication and input validation, ensuring no unauthorized access. QudeAI Decentralized Organization, DAO. The QudeAI DAO manages the market capitalization of all the agents deployed through the framework. You can also connect with the community through their Telegram channel, @C_AI, which already has almost 2,000 subscribers. Token information. You can find more information about the QudeAI token on platforms like DEX Tools, DEX Screener, BirdEye, SolScan, and of course, it's newly listed on MEXC Global. Make sure to check out all the referral codes in the description, especially the MEXC Global one, where this token just got listed. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens, their info, and utility. Thanks for watching, everybody. You all have a great day out there. Peace out.